Hello everyone, this is Anushka and in this interview we will be seeing how do you write a story in PPDT and TAG. PPDT का narration वाला aspect and GD वाला aspect दूसरे videos में cover किया है. So you can check the playlist, there you'll get the videos. So let's get into the video. Now see, I'll break down the PPT first for PPDT for you first. You are given 30, like you'll be shown a picture on a projector. Let me make you guys imagine it. बहुत बड़ा सा हॉल होगा, उसमें एक प्रोजेक्टर रखा होगा. At times they will give you a sample picture for testing, but they'll tell you that okay, this is the sample picture, don't write a story on this picture. बट ऐसा भी होता है कि कुछ एस में सैम्पल पिक्चर नहीं बताया, डायरेक्टली वो पिक्चर दिखा दिया. सो डोंट कीप दिस इन योर माइंड दैट यू विल बी शोन अ सैम्पल पिक्चर, उसके बाद आपका पीपीटी का पिक्चर होगा. Listen to the briefings very carefully. One thing in SSB is that अगर आप कहीं से भी कोच नहीं हो या फिर आपने वीडियोस वगैरह कुछ नहीं देखे या फिर आप वीडियोस देख रहे हो और उसमें हम आपको एक चीज़ बता रहे हैं कि शायद सैम्पल दिखाया जाएगा या फिर नहीं दिखाया जाएगा, डू नॉट फॉलो दीज थिंग्स ब्लाइंडली. द लास्ट वर्ड वुड बी द वर्ड ऑफ द असेसर, द वर्ड ऑफ द ऑफिसर हु इज टेलिंग यू, हु इज ब्रीफिंग यू. So briefings are the last words. उन्हें काफ़ी अच्छे से सुनो. Briefings won't be repeated. I am repeating this. Briefings will hardly be repeated once. Like एक बार बोल गए ठीक है, एक और बार शायद बोल देंगे. And they'll warn you that okay, you won't be briefed again and again. So जो भी instructions दिए, listen to them very carefully. I cannot focus. मतलब मैं बोल नहीं सकती how important this is. So briefings अच्छे से सुनो. So in the briefing they'll tell you that a picture would be shown to you for 30 seconds. Maybe they'll show a sample picture to you. उससे आपको अंदाज़ा लग जाएगा पिक्चर कितना बड़ा दिख रहा है प्रोजेक्टर पे बड़े से हॉल में. बट डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि पहला पिक्चर जो दिखा रहा है वो सैम्पल होगा, उसके बाद पीपीटी का पिक्चर आएगा. I've heard candidates who have said that they went and they thought that the picture that shown was a sample picture. तब मुझे ऐसा लगा फिर आपने ब्रीफिंग सुने नहीं क्या. दे वुड हैव टोल्ड यू इफ दैट इज अ सैम्पल पिक्चर. नेवर एवर डू दिस. कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड. So 30 seconds will be shown a picture. 1 minute would be given to write down your observations in the PPT का sheet. Now this is our sheet is A4 size का पेपर होगा. उस पे you'll write your name, chest number of the first stage, और मतलब आपको जो भी chest number दिया जाएगा आप रोल नंबर लिखोगे, बैच नंबर लिखोगे. Now अगर आपको एक पिक्चर दिखा है जिसमें ओके आई शो यू पिक्चर एंड देन आई से ओके नाउ सी यू सी दिस पिक्चर. नाउ दिस इज द पिक्चर दैट यू आर सीइंग. आपने देख लिया ऐसे फॉर 30 सेकेंड्स. देन टेल यू दैट यू हैव टू एनसर्कल योर मेन कैरेक्टर. ओके फर्स्ट आई ब्रीफ यू अबाउट व्हाट आर द थिंग्स. They tell you that whosoever your main character would be, you'll make an oval, you'll encircle that main character. So first they'll tell you to encircle the main character, whosoever that would be visible. जो पिक्चर में पोजीशन होगा उसके हिसाब से इस बॉक्स में वो सर्कल का पोजीशन होगा. ओके सो वो चीज़ हो गई. उसके बाद they tell you you have to write the age, gender, mood of all the characters seen by you. मेन कैरेक्टर का आप लिखोगे इस ओवल में, बाकी सबका ओवल के बाहर. डोंट ओवल ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स, नहीं, सिर्फ मेन कैरेक्टर को करना है. सम पीपल डू इट टू एवरी कैरेक्टर. नो, देन समझ में कैसे आएगा आपका मेन कैरेक्टर कौन सा है. फॉर एज यू विल मेंशन द एज, लाइक यू कैन मेंशन एन एज ग्रुप और यू कैन सिंपली गो फॉर एन एज. एनीथिंग कैन वर्क. This is easy to say in the narration. This is difficult in the age group of 20 to 25. You see the number of words. उसमें ऐसा नहीं होगा. Second is the gender. In the gender simply M for male, F for female, P for person. Gender visible नहीं है, write P for person. But अगर आपको picture blur होगा, you can assume a gender. काफ़ी ज़्यादा blur है और सच में समझ नहीं आ रहा है, you can go with P and then say I have assumed the gender. I saw a person and I have assumed the gender as it wasn't clear. I assumed it to be male or female, whatever you wish to. And then the mood, positive, negative, neutral. 0 लिख रहे हैं for neutral. Now this is how you mention. Now let us see how you write it according to a picture. अब मैंने picture दिखाया था इससे पहले. This picture. You see this picture? Okay, observe it. 1 2 3 4 4 characters. Now how do you observe a picture? इससे पहले I'll just tell you how you're marking. If this person is my main character of around 18 age, so how will I write it? I'll write it as yes, he's male, 18, positive, male. Let's say both of them are 17, or you can go for 18 in positive, male, 35, positive. This is my main character. मैंने इसे encircle किया, बाकियों को नहीं किया. Okay? Action and story आगे discuss करेंगे. Which comes to the main part. How do you write a story in PPDT and TAT? Now, what is the difference between PPDT and TAT? दोनों के pictures. The difference is in PPDT the picture is blurred. The reason being बहुत लोग हैं स्क्रीनिंग के लिए अलग अलग आइडियाज चाहिए so that the discussion becomes that diverse और उसमें से they are able to find the people like the candidates whom they want to screen. TAT में the picture will be clear in terms of graphics. Now I have used this word clear for a different thing too, which I will be talking about later, but this I'm talking about this in terms of graphics. Okay, अभी हमने जो पिक्चर देखा it was a clear picture, उसके ऊपर this is a blurred picture, this is a clear picture. Okay, this is how it is. Fine. Now अभी डिफरेंस तो समझ गया और at the end स्टोरी तो दोनों पे लिखनी है. How do you write a story? You will get 1 minute to narrate and then there would be discussion. But first, how to write a story? Now, पहली बात, the first thing that you need to do is observe carefully. Now, कभी भी, if this is a picture, there are 5 aspects that you need to check. These 5 aspects. जैसे you check this thing first, जो middle वाला portion है आप उसे पहले check करते हो. Why? Because your eyesight या फिर आपकी जो नज़र है वो सबसे पहले बीच में जाती है. Your observation, you first perceive the thing that is there in the middle of the picture and then you go to the corners. You go to the corners so that you do not miss out anything. That's very important. बहुत बार corners में hints होती है which will give you an idea of the background, the setting, the kind of place it is. Is it a village or a town or a city? घर से पता चल सकता है, ये पता चल सकता है कि is it a hospital? The one mistake that I made was I did not observe in my first SSB that I did not observe a picture carefully. मैंने 30 seconds use नहीं किया अच्छे से, 15 सेकंड में कुछ देख लिया ना रोड, and in that I missed out to see the background which was in this side of the picture and यहाँ पे hints थे that it was a hospital, so I missed out. And if your observation is wrong, वहीं से एक negative impression जाना शुरू हो जाता है, इसीलिए try to keep your observation perfect. Now next thing is characters and the main character. Now you see this picture, I'll take this picture as an example. इस picture में you are seeing 4 characters. Okay, आपने observe करिए, you can see 4 characters, 3 बच्चे, एक बड़े हैं, and it is your discretion to choose the main character. आपको जो भी पसंद आता है आप उन्हें ले सकते हैं. But usually your main character should be someone who is looking positive, who is in the active participant in the picture. Like इसमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये दोनों जो व्यक्ति है they are listening. So you cannot make a main character who is just listening. You can see these 2 people talking, then why isn't your main character between these 2 people? अभी इन दोनों में से भी किसको लेना? इन दोनों में ये दोनों नहीं लेने, क्यों नहीं लेने? Because they are in the passive roles. You want someone who is in the active role, who is an active participant. देन इन दोनों में से किसे लेना है. Now it depends upon your entry and it depends upon your perception. If you perceive this person to be your main character, you can go for it. But usually ऐसा कहते हैं कि you should choose a main character who is close to your age. And the reason behind this is you know how a person of your age thinks. You do not know how a person who is 10, 15 years older than you thinks, or even chota. So this is why if you are TS entry, ND entry, you will choose this person as the main character. If you are going for graduate entry, I would suggest that you can go with this person as the main character because both of them are talking. But at the end, it's your discretion and what you like. All what I'm giving you are tips and guidelines. I mean, not guidelines, but yeah, just some advices. If you wish to take them, I hope that this helps you guys. But nothing is rigid in SSB. It all depends upon your perception. If you perceive it that way, you can go for it. Now, the next thing is theme or action. Now, I'll talk about this action that you write in your in your PPDT. इस sheet में था action, this thing. Now, action is basically a one-liner that would tell what is going on in the picture. This is what you will be said in the briefing. You will be told कि ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको ये बताना है कि आपको title देना है story को. No, you don't have to give a title. They would clearly say that action is a one-liner that will tell you, that should tell what is going on in the picture. So if in the picture there's a rescue mission or there's a talk or there's an accident or a person helping an accident, whatever it would be, preparing for an interview, maybe anything, on a field visit or maybe it can be anything. Now here it is a negative picture and we'll come to this picture too. So that's how a one-liner is. Try to keep it short so that even when you're narrating it, it is easy for you to narrate. Now, the most important thing, actions in a story. Now, okay, what are actions? So, actions are basically, they are steps taken to complete the task that you have chosen. You've chosen for the picture or for the main character, whatever it is. Now, what are these steps that I'm talking about? Usse pehle, let's come to a very important aspect that I missed upon, that is theme. Now, everything in your SSB goes on around your why. What is your why for doing things? Now, this why will be shown by the purpose that you are taking for your main character. Like, for example, trekking or maybe excursions and other activities. Like, एक beach से related कुछ हो गया. Someone would write that yes, family planned, they went to a beach, they enjoyed, they came back. Okay. What was the task? What was the task? The task here was enjoyment. Why were they going? They went for enjoyment. Now, is enjoyment really a good purpose? Is it something that is serving others too? That's where your why comes. Okay? Why are you giving a particular task? अगर बीच पे जा रहे हैं या फिर किसी और जगह जा रहे हैं, if you say that it is for research or it is for helping some people or maybe you are a leader of the trekking group, you are professionally a trekker and then you are serving your clients by taking them for treks. If it is like that, then the purpose for your story changes. It changes from being self-centered or a particular family-centered or friend-centered enjoyment to something that is going to help many people. And this is what I believe increases the level of idea. इसलिए पर्पस काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए किसी भी स्टोरी का. If there is a story and the picture is as negative as this, इसमें कुछ पर्पस ढूंढना. It may be that these two are relatives and it is about organ donation, but again you see this person, he looks very young, and usually it is the family members and all who have got the responsibility of organ donation. The only thing that this person is doing is giving the consent. तो पहली बार उसे तो मेन कैरेक्टर नहीं लेंगे बिकॉज वो कंसेंट देके तो ही इज डेड. इन दोनों में से मेन कैरेक्टर होगा एंड इट सीम्स दैट दिस पर्सन इज टेलिंग समथिंग टू दिस पर्सन. You may take the second person as the main character, whichever entity. I would have taken the second person rather than this because it feels like this person, wait, this person is a little sad and ये बना बहला रहा फुसला रहा है और he is giving that moral support. So definitely it's your idea, like at the end your discretion you take. But the point that I was making was that अगर picture इतना negative है where there is a dead body, that purpose cannot be something ये बंदा चाहता था इसके पापा है ये and his father wanted him to be an IAS officer and at the end of the story he is an IAS officer. No, your story का time span should be between 5 to 6 months, like that. This is the maximum. इससे कम रहा well and good, but I talk about this time span also when I पहले why clear कर लेते हैं उसके बाद time पे आते हैं. तो why clear हो गया कि excursion, enjoyment and all, these are ideas, but they're not very good ideas because at the end you are not serving someone else. So try to take an idea that is going to help many people. Research हो सकता है, donation camp हो सकता है, different camps हो सकता है, awareness rallies हो सकती है. There are so many things that are happening. Cleanliness drive हो सकता है. So there are so many things that are happening around you, but somewhere you don't know. वो जानने के लिए you'll have to be curious, you'll have to look around and see how people are serving in different ways. There are some people who are working to reduce the electronic waste. इस पर आप लिख सकते हो. How are they working on it? Some people are working on conservation of plants and all. इस पर लिख सकते हो. Plastic reduction. These are the environment related stuff. And then there is other like education of poor children, etc. Many NGOs and all. So be curious, look around yourself, you'll get good vibes for your stories. Having said that, now let's come to this important aspect of time span. Yes, maybe you were inspired by someone in the story, like your main character was inspired by someone and बाकी सब हो गया, but the time span in being an IAS officer is at least, I mean, एग्ज़ाम देने में ही 1 साल लग जाता है, ट्रेनिंग में 1 साल लग जाता है, उसके बाद यू आर पोस्टेड एंड देन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग एज एन ऑफिसर. उसमें आप मत बोलो कि आपके एक ही स्टोरी में आपका बंदा गांव से डायरेक्टली IAS ऑफिसर की कुर्सी तक पहुंच गया. इट इज़ अ वेरी फार फेच्ड आइडिया दैट ब्रिंग्स इम्प्रैक्टिकलिटी. अगर टाइम स्पैन इस टाइम पीरियड 5 to 6 मंथ से ज़्यादा हो गया, देन बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पैन हो गया, द स्टोरी वॉन्ट बी एक्सेप्टेबल. ओके, टाइम स्पैन का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया. एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर लो या फिर किसी स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन की तैयारी कर लो, एक प्रोजेक्ट है और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट विच रिक्वायर्स लेस अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. इफ द टाइम स्पैन इज बिटवीन 1 week, दैट्स द बेस्ट. All my themes usually had this time span only. 1 week maximum, 1 week के अंदर काम हो जाएगा. Hardly the plantation and all वाले में I kept 6 months and ये नहीं कहा कि 6 months में forest grow हो गया. In 6 months I said 95 or 95% of the plants survived. This is why it was a success. This is how I wrote it in my blank story. I'll talk about the blank story also after this. अभी ये थीम समझ गया. नाउ आई वॉज टेलिंग अबाउट एक्शन स्टेप्स टेकन टू कंप्लीट द टास्क दैट यू हैव चोजन फॉर द पिक्चर और फॉर द मेन कैरेक्टर. Now I'll explain this to you using an example. This is the picture that I've chosen. See, many characters. You will see this usually in the chat, and if there's a crowd, you don't need to mention. अगर PPT में आ भी जाता है तो you see there was like I observed a crowd of around 50 people, and from that my main character is this. For me, I chose my main character to be this person. पीछे observing the four corners, I saw पेड़ है बहुत सारे. They are they have some kind of papers in their hand. They are writing something maybe. One is there in uniform. Okay. ये observe कर लिया. The story that I wrote now, I haven't written this story in what do you say? क्या कहते हैं, SSB में तो ये आया नहीं था मेरे लिए. So just a sec, yeah, SSB में आया नहीं था तो, but this is how I usually write a story. रिचा was class monitor. पहले ही मैंने उसे एक असाइन कर दिया है, एक क्या कह सकते हैं, पोस्ट असाइन कर दिया है. The reason being, if you are at a particular position, it is easy for you to instruct your colleagues. मतलब शायद आप juniors को easily instruct कर दो, even if you are not at a particular position. But if you are not in the position, then advising or asking your friend to do something for you in a way that you are leading and the friend is following you is a difficult thing. So इसलिए मैं ये कर देती थी कि जाने दो, कोई तो पोस्ट दे देते. The class was to make a report on the visit to a botany garden. Now report on a botany garden. ये report के बहुत सारे फायदे हो सकते हैं. It may help the juniors, it will help the teacher, it will also help these people understand better about the plants and all. So academically, reports are very important. So chose a theme. I chose a theme like that. In 2 lines में I completed my introduction, and this is how, like, this is the place from where the actions start. Took charge, made subgroups, divided tasks based on the category of plants. Okay, and then herbs, shrubs. I wrote this thing so that it shows that थोड़ा बहुत knowledge है इस thing में. She led one of these groups so that she won't be in every group. I mean, she is looking for everything, but she is a part of one group wholly. So इसलिए मैंने ऐसा लिखा. She led one of these groups and asked each group to take pictures, read info, write them in the report, not the info or the information that they are collecting. She then asked everyone to submit their reports to her. And then, along with her friends, checked the reports, corrected discrepancies, and combined them. And at the end, after combining them, she again asked for the inputs for the reason being. Final चीज submit करने से पहले, which belongs to a class, I mean, which belongs to many people, you always take their final work. That this is how it is. Just tell me if there is any last moment changes or not. After inculcating the inputs, she submitted the report. The teacher appreciated. Teacher thanked her classmates for cooperation. Now you see, ये सारी चीजें जो है यहाँ पे, इतना सारा उसने जो काम किया है, उसने काम किया और उसके दोस्तों ने काम किया. So ये जितना भी यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, these all are actions. And you'll see, I gave only 2 lines for the introduction, 2 lines for the conclusion, और बाकी सब actions. The more the actions, the better the story. किसी आप haste में conclude मत करो. Don't conclude it in haste, but definitely keep the conclusion short. कि जो भी task था, was the task completed or not is the main thing. Task completed, well and good, you are done with the work. Now, I hope you guys have understood what these actions are. You would get to know about the actions when you read about different tasks. Like, the thing is कि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि we usually see something and उसके बारे में पढ़ते नहीं हैं. For example, accident. This is the classic thing that I have in my mind. या फिर कोई भी टाइप की इंजरी हो गई, you'll say yes, I'll give first aid. But burn injuries के लिए first aid अलग होता है. For bleeding wounds, it is different. For maybe a bee sting, it is very different. So अलग अलग चीज़ों के लिए there is different kind of first aid that you give. क्या वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. ऑयल का बर्न हो गया अलग है, स्टीम का बर्न हुआ अलग है. Everything has got specifications, and for each specific thing there are different ways in which you give a first aid. ये चीज़ पता होना, this will come out of curiosity. So you'll have to be very very curious to understand the steps. अगर आप क्यूरियस हो तो आप ज़्यादा पढ़ोगे, you'll have this curiosity to read about other things, and thus you will get to know things. एंड जैसे जैसे आपको पता चलेगा, आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी, नॉट आउट ऑफ कंपल्शन कि आपको एसएसबी के लिए करना है इसलिए आप कर रहे हो, बिकॉज एट द एंड देन यू फॉरगेट इट, बट इफ यू लर्न समथिंग आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी इट विल स्टे इन योर माइंड फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम, एंड जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपके एसएसबी के लिए, इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक अ रिविजन, एक दो बार रिविजन हो गया, देन द थिंग्स आर फिट इन योर माइंड. So, as I've said, for actions you'll have to read, you'll have to be curious. Curiosity is something that never goes in vain. Be curious, ask questions to yourself, to people around you. You can type them on Google and you'll definitely get the answers. Answers मिलने के बाद I'll suggest you guys to make, if अगर आपका SSB एक महीने में ही है, make a diary and just write all these things in your diary, or write all these steps in your diary, and something that is common, like for example ट्रैक अरेंज करना, आप क्या करोगे, स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट अरेंज करना, आप क्या करोगे, फर्स्ट एड देना है, व्हाट विल यू डू, so things like that, common things that you will find in different pictures when you practice. Now there is one more thing that I wanted to talk about, that is the type of pictures. So what are these type of pictures that I want to talk about? पहले तो होते हैं positive, negative and neutral pictures. If you see, this is a neutral picture. This isn't a negative picture because it isn't somewhere like accident हुआ है, but ठीक है, accident में you have to be neutral and you have to be alert. You cannot say it is a negative picture because have they shown that somebody has died? It is your assumption कि bleeding हो गया है मतलब that person is dead. But why to assume it? Have a hope that person is alive and you are going to help that person and that person will be saved. This is how you will have a positive approach. So this is a neutral picture. You see, this is also a neutral picture, but you can assume it to be positive because blur है, चेहरा दिख नहीं रहा है. If nothing is visible, then assume it to be positive instead of neutral. This will, and it is important to look at it that way. अगर आप सिर्फ neutral देख रहे हो या फिर negative देख रहे हो, then that negative mindset is again and again going on in your mind. So keep negative things away, look for positivity. Blur dikh raha hai, okay, this is a positive picture, he is very happy because he is very confident and he is going for his interview, he is prepared. Again, this is a positive picture. Why? I mean, some people may say that you can write it as a neutral picture, but there isn't anything like a big problem that you can see which is adding to the neutrality. This is why, मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है, ये तो लोग बस बात कर रहे हैं ना, assume that they are talking happily. Why are you assuming that they're talking neutrally, they are a little serious about something, or they're talking in a negative way? So better go look for positive. Don't complicate things in your mind by saying that expression तो दिख नहीं रहा है तो इसे मैं positive क्यों बोलूँ, neutrally लिख देता हूँ, that's the safe side. But because this may happen with you. Now you see this picture. This is clearly a negative picture. That person, you cannot expect everybody in the picture to be in a happy mood. But definitely somebody who is consoling cannot be in a negative mood. That person has to be in neutral mood in order to make somebody who might be in negative mood to get out of that mood. इसलिए try to keep your main characters positive or neutral in worst cases. Negative मत रखो because then आपको हर एक कैरेक्टर का मूड लिखने बोला है, पूरा पिक्चर का मूड नहीं, पूरा पिक्चर का मूड is negative, but then your character's mood should be neutral even in the negative situations, maintaining equanimity in your mind. Okay, so this is one categorization, and the next is clear task problem, unclear idea. Okay, now you see this picture of the accident. सबको पता है पिक्चर में एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, तो कोई कुछ और टास्क देगा क्या इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सीडेंट? No, nobody would give. But if you look at this picture, they are just talking. What are they talking about? Nobody knows. We cannot hear them. So this is an unclear idea. And usually ऐसे जो pictures होते हैं वो आपके tag के sequence में late आएंगे. It would be after 4th, 5th picture when the pressure would have been built up on you and तब आपको एक ऐसा पिक्चर दिखाया जा रहा है जिसमें कोई क्लियर आइडिया बाहर नहीं आ रहा है. So that is when ideas will come from your mind, and that is how assessors will know what goes on in your mind, subconscious mind and conscious mind. Because pressure mein you shift your subconscious mind, something that you think about every day will come out on the paper, and then this is why psychology was difficult. For this, you'll have to think about good things every day. The one thing that I had started was avoid negative news. Uh, ये चीज़ this helped me a lot, murder and all, because when you avoid this, you won't see, it won't be going on in your mind again and again. Unclear idea, समझ गया. Clear task problem, pictures like these are easy pictures. इसमें when you, because see, इसमें सब accident लिख रहे हैं, so you have to be something, you have to write something different. तो इसमें आप अलग क्या लिखोगे? You'll write the steps. The steps would be more detailed, in a more detailed manner. जैसे फर्स्ट एड, किस टाइप का फर्स्ट एड? यू कैन सी हेवी ब्लीडिंग, ये नहीं दिखाते थे एक खून, तो हैवी ब्लीडिंग के लिए आप क्या फर्स्ट एड देते हो? यू विल यूज दैट. स्पेशली इट सीम्स टू बी अ हेड इंजरी हो गई, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट एड एंड ऑल, यू लुक एट इट. These are the two categorizations of picture, and I've also told you that when do these kind of pictures appear. I've told you about the time, like the duration, कैसे होता है, क्या होता है. टैट में the pictures are clear, in PPT they are unclear. I've told you the why, that why should the, I mean what should be the purpose of your picture, because, or your task, because at the end they'll see your intentions, they'll see your why, and that will decide. Vague ideas not, no. चाहे आप कितने भी अच्छे steps लिख लो, but if the idea is not something that is serving others, that it is not something that's including other people, their happiness, then it is a self-centric idea. For women, for female candidates, the pictures might be female oriented, so definitely read about self-help groups, about lawyers, because I saw pictures where lawyers थे, they were submitting some kind of report. So make sure that you have a case made up in your mind. You'll get to see pictures with all female, or some strong female leads, so make sure that you give them that kind of responsibility, that kind of position while writing your story. Having said that, I've shown you the sample story also. This is how I write. This is the kind of, this is how I write a story basically. I've told you about all these 4 points. I've told you the importance of actions, the importance of, the main thing in that is that after having created the pressure, you write things, you write stories, and you choose themes that are going on in your mind, as I said, in your subconscious mind. So making sure that you think in the rightful manner, in the ethical manner every day is something that will help you a lot. And with that, building curiosity for practice, most importantly, for practicing that, the main thing is that don't write stories every day. I mean, maybe from a week write stories on 3 days only. But first thing is get them analyzed. Analyze from any of your teachers who will tell you, is it going with the picture, and अगर वो picture से जा रहा है या नहीं, वो चीज़ भी एक बार अगर आप रहने दोगे तो you just explain them this concept and say कि मैंने जो task लिखे, मैंने जो actions लिखे for this task, are they adequate enough? You can also try to write 2 to 3 stories on the same picture so that you get different ideas. And बच्चे वाले 4 दिन, what you will do is read about, you can read stories, you can read about, जैसे मैंने पहले mention किया NGOs working and all, you can read about that, how people are active and how are they engaging their time into serving others, so that you can add those nice ideas into your pictures. So reading is important. 4 दिन read करो, and in 3 दिनों में when you are practicing, try to inculcate these ideas in your story. Please do not go with any preconceived story कि अगर आपने एक पिक्चर देख लिया and बोला कि एक recommended candidate ने ये story लिखी थी, जैसे if I've written this story, please don't copy this story if you see this kind of a picture. for the reason you can definitely take steps from this, but कॉपी मत करो because it would not go with your psychology. It won't even आपके wording से समझ जाता है आपने वो ये wordings कहीं और पढ़े थे या आपके खुद के, because you don't have to fake. If you fake it, you're out on the first day itself. Then either it be screening or maybe you will be kept for 5 days, but you'll be out. That way, try to be as honest as possible. Try to keep your thoughts as good as possible, keeping in mind the benefit of all. If you have got any doubts related to this, then kindly put it in the comment section. We will try, our team will try our best to reply and clear your doubts. I hope this video has helped you guys. If there's anything more, you can definitely comment it. Thank you so much for watching.